Did you know that your dog can feel like a puppy again? Today we're going to talk about UltraK9 Pro, the supplement that is bringing vitality and energy back into the lives of dogs of all ages. Several dog owners are reporting incredible changes in their furry companions after just a few weeks of using the UltraK9 Pro. Lola, for example, is full of life again. Her owner said that after discovering these nutrients, Lola returned to being a little puppy, full of energy and happiness, and that was only after a few weeks. What about Bobby, an 11-year-old golden retriever? His owner can hardly believe what she sees. He has outperformed even younger cubs in the park and is in the best shape of his life. It seems that age is no longer an obstacle for him. Another owner shared that their pup now has a lot more energy and looks like a completely different dog. He even notices how grateful his dog is to be receiving the right care. UltraK9 Pro is a supplement that contains carefully selected nutrients to improve your dog's overall health. It helps increase energy, revitalize vitality, and promote a more active, happier life for dogs of all ages. If you want to see your dog full of life, running and playing like never before, try the UltraK9 Pro. Give your dog the chance to live their best life, just like Lola, Bobby, and so many others. UltraK9 Pro, the best gift you can give your four-legged friend. Try it today. Discover all the benefits of UltraK9 Pro at the link in the first comment.